Understanding Math Skills, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, math skills. This is a term you might come across in educational contexts, job descriptions, or everyday conversations. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your own conversations. Math skills refers to the abilities and knowledge someone has in mathematics. This phrase is a combination of two words, math, which is short for mathematics, and skills, which means the ability to do something well. Together, they describe a person's proficiency in mathematics. There are various types of math skills, ranging from basic to advanced. 1. Basic math skills. These include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They form the foundation of all math learning. 2. Intermediate skills. Concepts like fractions, decimals, and percentages are covered here. 3. Advanced math skills. This involves higher-level math, such as algebra, geometry, calculus, and statistics. Each level builds upon the previous one, so mastering the basics is crucial. Math skills are essential for various reasons. They are not only important for academic success but also for everyday life. For example, calculating expenses, understanding interest rates, and even cooking measurements require math skills. In many professions, strong math skills are essential for tasks like data analysis, financial planning, and engineering. Improving your math skills can be achieved through practice and learning. Here are a few tips. Practice regularly. Like any skill, math improves with practice. Regularly solving math problems can greatly enhance your abilities. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to ask for help from teachers, tutors, or educational resources. Use real-life examples. Applying math to real-life situations can make learning more relevant and enjoyable. I hope this video helps you understand what math skills are and why they're important. Remember, whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your abilities, improving your math skills can open many doors in both your academic and everyday life. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to seek help when you need it. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.